My name is Rochelle McGee. About 7 or 8 years ago, I had a bad experience with dental implants, and they had come apart. They were tearing away, and I was referred through my dentist to advanced dental care, and we began the journey in June 2023. Started the process in the beginning of July, and after it's now the end of May, we completed the journey today, and it has made a huge difference just already in the last 30-45 minutes that I've had them in my mouth. My self-esteem has shot up just within the last few minutes. It's perfection, and they feel better than anything I've ever had in my mouth, and I would trust them to do with my life. This has been a wonderful experience, and I do appreciate the blessings. Thank you.